For me, it was network application design by Professor Harris. He's a gift to the Virginia Tech community. I definitely see it in his passion of teaching as well, his passion of being able to help developers, be aware of when they're developing software. Essentially, the main focus of the class was to be able to create communication. So being able to communicate through the internet and how to create a server software to be able to communicate from, client. When I mean by client, I mean whether you're on a website. How is what you're typing in, how's it what is it communicating to, right? So that's where he comes in and says, this is what it's communicating to. It's communicating through software. You're communicating with the internet, and this internet is connected to a specific domain that has all the integrated software that's able to also give you a response back of the updated information. That class has definitely really helped me with the Booked Up project, because if I didn't have that experience of what we call back-end development, I definitely think it would be a lot a bigger learning curve for me when I was developing Booked Up initially than if I didn't take that class. So I would also say computer vision has also been a very crucial milestone with what I've taken. Dr. Abbott definitely knows his stuff very well, very driven in his work. Apparently, I know he's a very distinguished professor in the computer vision world. So, hey, it's good to be kind of taught by the best. Very difficult class, but I definitely learned a lot of crucial things needed to be able to, identify. If I'm given an image, how do I know what that image is? If I give you a picture of a frog, how does a computer know that's a picture of a frog? And so I definitely applied that also in Booked Up, because to be able to extract features, I have to use computer vision to be able to extract your facial shape, your hair type, your hair color. Those are very crucial things, especially in the computer vision world.